Okay, well, it's a recording and I can see the levels. You can see me here in the reflection, I guess. This is the hat mount, the clip-on, and I have on the DJI mic. I am using the Osmo Pocket 2, the Osmo Pocket 3 with DJI mic 2. The reason I like the mic 2 over the mic 3 is because it has the mic input. So we're just at the edge of the start of Tiffany Falls. It is April 14th. It's not necessarily the nicest view right now, but a little bit of rain yesterday might mean a lot more water will be flowing. I'm not in the best shoes either, but it's gotta clean up before I go to Vegas for NAB. Anyway, I hope the audio is good. Hopefully the video is good too. I have the Pocket 3 with me, which is great because it's a gimbal. This is more POV shots. So, yeah. Nice little bridge. And another bridge. Some nice waterfall. Tiffany Falls is one of the easier falls in Hamilton to get to. A short hike, couple minutes, not very long. Relatively safe, well maintained. Very scenic. We've done a lot of e-shoots here. I just came back from doing a funeral live stream, which I prefer not to show too much BTS of, just for client privacy issues. Anyway, the funeral home is 10 minutes, if not less, maybe 5 from Tiffany Falls. So as you're in the area, it's nice to be grounded. Nice to smell some fresh air, hear the birds come out again. Hear that rush of water. And I don't know if you can see it, but we're nearly there already. That was a quick walk. Not difficult, not steep. Just generally beautiful, beautiful nature. I have been here already when it was really dry, no water flowing, and I've actually been right where the water drops. And here we go. Yeah. Tiffany Falls in Hamilton, Ontario. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, I can feel the mist. Oh, let's take. Take one of me for the socials. I'm not smiley, so that's as best as you get. But wow. Water must be cold, I could imagine. Anyway, here's Tiffany Falls. Let's hope the recording is good. This is the first time I'm really trying out the Osmo Nano, and the reason that I am is really just to make sure that I'm okay for NAB. So this is just a test really to see if everything is good for knob. All my settings and linking the mic, battery life, etc. I did order something from, I believe it's Telesen, which has a USB charger, a USB port, which allows you to charge it while using it, but not necessarily using this guy, the dock. So what that means is I can keep it comparatively small and be charging it while I'm using it throughout the event. So what I have in mind for Vegas is get some BTS, of course, but also get some time lapse. So maybe as I'm walking through, it just snaps, and it's more like a set and forget it camera for me. So I don't need to worry too much about it. I can focus on conversations with people and checking out the products, and maybe even interviews, which I'm hoping to do more of. Last year was my first year to NAB, and it's truly was overwhelming for me because I felt like there was so much information. This was the first time for NAB. There's all these vendors, all these new products. I didn't speak to every single person at a booth at NAB, but see here, you can just do a quick and of course, you know, it was such a good experience for me and so informative that I felt like I needed to go again this year. So I'm off. Hopefully it's a good trip. Last year was my birthday fell in between NAB, so I actually took a day off and I went to Grand Canyon in Arizona. I think the hike, the drive was maybe about 450 kilometers each way, not counting stops. So I might have did 1,000 kilometers in one day, which was a lot of driving. But you know what? The beauty of the Grand Canyon, it is so majestic. It is amazing. Anyway, this is my little video from Tiffany Falls, and I hope somebody likes it or makes use of it. I'm gonna stop recording now because I don't like people seeing plates on my car. Okay, hope this was fun, maybe informational, maybe entertaining, maybe exciting. I'm just rambling to give you some other audio. Maybe you want me to shut up, that's fine, let me know. And hopefully there'll be more videos like this. Yeah, I have a car mount for it, so it's good for driving videos. So we'll see. Thank you, stay tuned.